In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize search results pages in Wix. To get started, open your Wix website in either the standard editor or Wix Studio, depending on where your site is built. Make sure you are inside the editing workspace so you can access your site's pages, apps, and design settings. This is where all the customization will happen. Next, go to the Add Apps section and search for Wix Site Search. Once you find it, install the app on your website. This feature allows visitors to search through your site content more easily. And it also gives you a dedicated search results page that you can customize to better match your brand and content structure. After the Wix Site Search app is installed, Wix will automatically generate a search results page for you. You don't need to build this page manually, which saves time and makes setup much easier. Now, head over to Pages and Menu on the left-hand side of your editor. From there, look for the Wix Site Search section and select the Search Results page. This will open the page where your visitors will see the results after using your site search feature. Once you are on that page, click directly on the Search Results element on your canvas. And then choose Settings. This is where you'll begin controlling what visitors can see and how the results are presented. Inside the Settings tab, you can use the available toggles to choose which content types appear in the search results. For example, you may want to include blog posts, events, or store products. You can also reorder these content types to control how they appear. Rename their labels for clearer wording. And enable the option to show hidden pages for SEO if you want restricted content to still appear in search results. Then move to the Layout tab here. You can adjust how the search results are structured. For instance, you can switch between a list view and a grid view, depending on the type of content you are displaying and the style you want for your site. You can also increase the number of results shown per Pascal GE, which can make browsing easier for visitors. After that, open the Design tab to refine the visual appearance of the results page. This is where you can edit things like background opacity, border width, fonts, colors, and even the style of the Add to Cart button if store products appear in your search results. Try to keep these design choices consistent with the rest of your website so the experience feels polished and cohesive. That's how you customize search results pages in Wix. Thanks for watching.